Welcome back, beautiful souls. For those delving deep into the realms of spiritual growth, the journey is both personal and profound. Meditation, as many of us know, is a cornerstone of this voyage. But did you know there are specific techniques that can supercharge your spiritual ascent? Today, we'll be exploring 5 powerful meditation techniques for spiritual growth. So, take a deep breath, center yourself, and let's begin. 1. Guided visualization. First on our list is guided visualization. This involves immersing oneself in a vivid mental scene, often led by a narrator or guide. By vividly imagining serene and spiritually rich landscapes or situations, you're cultivating a direct pathway to your subconscious, allowing for profound insights and heightened intuition. 2. Chakra balancing meditation. Next, we have chakra balancing meditation. The body possesses 7 primary energy centers, or chakras. This meditation technique focuses on activating and harmonizing these centers. When balanced, they not only promote physical well-being but also pave the way for deep spiritual awakening. 3. Mantra meditation. Mantra meditation, often associated with ancient Vedic practices, involves the repetitive chanting or silent mental repetition of a word, phrase, or sound. This constant repetition helps to anchor the mind, facilitating deeper states of consciousness where spiritual growth thrives. 4. Walking meditation. Breaking the stereotype of seated practices, walking meditation is an active form of meditation. It combines mindfulness with physical movement. As you walk, the focus is on each step, your breath, and the surrounding environment. This method grounds you in the present moment, aligning the mind, body, and spirit. 5. Transcendental meditation. Lastly, we delve into Transcendental Meditation, or TM. A more structured approach, TM requires you to sit with your eyes closed for 20 minutes, twice a day, while silently repeating a specific mantra. It's known for its deep transcendent experiences, leading many practitioners to profound spiritual revelations. As we conclude our journey through these meditation techniques, remember, the path to spiritual growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Each meditation session, regardless of its depth or clarity, is a step forward. We hope you'll experiment with these techniques and discover which resonates most with you. If you found this video enlightening, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing your experiences or questions in the comments section. For more professionally curated content on spirituality and personal growth, do subscribe to my channel. Until next time, wishing you peace, clarity, and profound growth on your spiritual journey.